So this product research technique has been pretty interesting because I don't think a lot of people are doing it. So check this out. So I'm here on Amazon. All I've done is I've just gone to the departments on the left-hand side, and then I'm going to go to handmade. Now here's the benefits of doing product research this way. Handmade implies locally, domestically sourced most of the time, small batch, which is exactly what we're looking for because it's going to deter a lot of that traditional red ocean Chinese competition where it's just a bunch of flooded options of a product that's easy to source on Alibaba. We're actually going for something different than that here in 2024 when we're doing product research. And so because we're in handmade, because it's a pretty small category, I'm going to go to best sellers. I want to see the biggest things in handmade. And these should be pretty unique products that we might have a potential of sourcing domestically and selling. So let's check this out. So right off the bat, we have a custom embroidery bunny. Let's keep an open mind and not think that anything's impossible. So would it be possible that we can work with a company that is doing custom embroidered products? Maybe. Probably not what I'm going to start with. Personalized sign. So a lot of these are customized. So they have to be made to order. I'm going to probably try and stay away from that. But a moisturizing, refreshing spray for locks. Okay, interesting. So we have a product that is for dreadlocks, moisturizing spray for dreadlocks. We can take a look at this and let's go up back to Amazon. I'm just going to do all departments and I'm going to do dreadlocks and see if there's any spray, moisturizer that pops up here. Let's see. So, and it doesn't instantly look like that. So in this case, one of my favorite things to do when I see there's 3,000 of these bought per month, it is getting purchased. I just can't find the words that it's coming from. I'm just gonna go to see all keywords. Helium 10 makes this super easy. By the way, there's a link in the description for Helium 10 if you don't have it already. It is a affiliate link, so you get a discount when you use that link. So check this out. Let's see. So it looks like they're getting a lot of their sales from, dreadlock hair products, so more generic, and then a lot of rosewater for hair, rosewater for locks. So collectively, we do have thousands of search volume here. So we have right here, 3,000, lock accessories for black women, 3,000, lock spray, 3,000. So let's check that out. Now, we've got something. So what I love already, instantly, is that I'm not right off the bat being sold on anything. Like I don't feel compelled to buy anything, which is good for me as the entrepreneur. As the customer, clearly they're voting with their dollar and they're saying, well, we want to buy from probably this brand or this brand. Just looking at where the sales are going, those are the ones that are getting purchased. There's then this one. What would be great is if there was a product that spoke more directly to the consumer of this product. And so using packaging that actually showcases the dream outcome. So if the dream outcome is moisturizing dreadlocks, then maybe we have packaging that's actually showcasing that instead of just basic plain packaging like this. We can also look at how to value innovate here and look at the ratings of this product, look at what people are saying about how they're using it, and maybe look for a way to present this market to a group of these customers who isn't currently in love with what's available right now. Okay, the people who love this product will keep buying this product, but inevitably there are people in this market who agree that these 3 things or these 4 things should be intact when I go to buy this product. And so that's kind of what I'm looking for in the middle. But I don't want to get too off guard. It's not a differentiation video. This is a product research video and specifically a handmade technique. So that's already one that I would genuinely consider. I would look more into that idea. And that's just one. Let's see if we can find another one. Universal. So beeswax and propolis magic solve. Ooh, okay. Again, we have another kind of skincare product. Let's check this out. Okay. Got it. So this is for boils. Sorry for the disturbing imagery. Should have had a disclaimer on this video. That's not too fun to look at. However, is there a potential product here? Yes, I think so, because they did $100,000 in sales in the last 30 days. They have good star ratings, which is good. I have been screaming from the rooftops. I like going into markets where the ratings are already good. I don't want to have to go into a market where everything sucks and try and fix it, because that likely is indicative of a market that sucks. Like, there's no good way to solve the problem. It would have been solved already. It's overstatement, but we'll see. So let's go look at, we'll try and find the keyword here. And I'm just going to go to see all keywords. It just saves so much time for me after looking at the title and thinking of what it actually is. But let's see here. So we have Egyptian Magic Cream. That might be a brand or like a name of a product. Prid Salve, boil treatment. My Magic Heroes, that's definitely the brand. This is probably a specific solution that people are talking about online. I will open that. Okay, so it's extremely medicinal looking here, which makes a lot of sense. Let's look at the next one. Same thing. So, Remedy's doing pretty good. Like, I like the look of that packaging from that standpoint. I'm just like, immediately the first thing I look at is just like, which one pulls my eye in? Because that's the one I'm going to click on as a buyer. It's that simple. It's just like, which one pulls my eye and which one I'm going to click on. And that one does that for me. So I don't want to hover around this market too long. I mean, if I were watching a YouTube video and someone was just talking about solves for boils, I mean, I'd probably click off it. So we're going to keep looking. However, I would personally look into that more. So let's see. We have more rose water for locks. Interesting. There's definitely a market that has developed there, and just reinforces the fact that that's worth looking into. So lanolin. Please tell me this isn't for boils. What is lanolin? So we're going to open this up, and then we are going to let's do this. See all keywords. That is such a cool feature. That used to be such a pain in the butt back in the day. So let's see. Lanolin. Okay, so now we went from boils to nipples. Here we go. This is, I mean, the listing sucks. A lot of people buy it. I would read the reviews, figure out who my customer is. And let's see. Skin softener, socks. And just people with skin issues. It seems like one of the customers. Postpartum. Okay. Good. I mean, we're four or five products in now. So the next step that I would do there, by the way, is I would go, I'll have to do it, it's just going to be repetitive, but I go to Amazon, just search lanolin, and I would see what the market landscape looks like. I'm guessing it's going to be pretty boring based on what we have going on here. But this is handmade. I mean, a lot of these products, the cool thing about this, they're going to be easy to source in the US by the very nature of the fact that they're handmade. And they're probably a lot of these, not a lot of them are probably Chinese too, but there's a higher percentage of these that are going to be domestic in nature. What is black rice water? So we're getting all these weird little like skincare products, which is really cool. So it's for hair. So let's look that up. Or better yet, let's go to the magic button, see all keywords, and let's see what we got here. All right, now we're talking. Now we are talking. Rice water for hair growth. 20,000 search volume. What do we got? Show me the money. As I Am is the brand. Rice water, 400 per month, 3,000 per month. This is not the same product. I'm looking for ones that are specifically rice water. Rice water, rice water. Ooh, there's a good one. Again, the packaging is horrible. Also a very good one. What is this product doing? These are the kind of markets that get me excited. When there's this much search volume, and the market's this segmented, meaning like there's a lot of random results here. And it's like there's a couple doing rice water, which is what the people are actually looking for. And then there's a couple just general solutions. Let's look at this. X-ray. And so now instead of just keywords, we're going to look at the actual revenues. This is a good number. When I see that 1.92 million revenue, I get excited. When I start seeing total market revenues like 4 million, 5 million, 8 million per month, that's a huge market by my standards. So it's going to be hard to compete there. This is actually reasonable, right? There's a lot of sellers with 5 figures of revenue. Boom, 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 boom. That's 4, but very, very close. And then there's like 1, 2, 3 sellers with 6 figures of revenue. This is pretty much fitting into the closest thing I have to that kind of like market criteria. Let's go right into this one, 20K per month. And let's see what's going on. They have the most traditional, like modern, healthy skincare branding, right? If you go into like a Target and go to like the natural skincare section, everything kind of looks like this. They're kind of just going for that. They are doing just some weird photography that's like disconnected from why people are using the product. I mean, there's hardly anyone. I don't have to tell you why this listing's bad. Maybe I do. Maybe if you're new, but it's just bad. Again, it's product research video, not listing analyzation video. But I'd go down to the rest of their listing and some of the reviews and see what's going on. So this is like, I could come in here and I could start a brand here. Like if you told me, Paul, you have to start a brand here. You have to stop what you're doing right now. Stop everything. Stop running your current brand, which by the way, let's check in on the current brand. How are we doing today? It is 11:50 a.m. All right. Here we go. It is not going to focus. It is not going to focus. It'll focus way back here. $34,360 in the last 30 days. $560 so far today on one product. And the nature of the product is through the lens of how I'm looking at these markets. Boring competition, specific customer, dream outcome. Current brands do a bad job of showing dream outcome. I go in, improve the amount of value in the product, and improve my presentation, showcasing why the product is valuable. So in just a mere 14 minutes, we have found a $20,000 per month product. Correct market size for me. Again, you might disagree. You might think that this can't be done, but as someone who actually does this, brand builds sourced in the USA, I like this market. So I will consider this a $20,000 per month product. Better yet, some of these are doing far more than that. I think if you did this right, you would probably be more in the $51,000 per month category. They only have 695 reviews. So yeah, $50,000 per month product in 15 minutes using my new handmade category strategy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you're new. You don't miss future videos. And there's a video on screen now that you can check out if you want to watch another one. Other than that, thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.